Encouraging your followers to participate in challenges or respond to your videos increases the chance of user-generated content, UGC, which in turn boosts engagement. Practice analyzing popular videos in your niche. Now that you understand how TikTok's algorithm works and what drives user behavior, it's time to put this knowledge into practice. Here's your task. 1. Pick your niche. Choose a niche or topic that is relevant to your business. This could be anything from fashion to fitness, food, or tech. 2. Search for popular videos. Use the TikTok search function to find popular videos in your niche. Pay attention to what type of content gets the most views, likes, and shares. What trends are being used in these videos, sounds, hashtags, formats? How do the captions and video structures differ between successful and less successful videos? 3. Analyze user engagement. Look at the comments and see what users are saying. What kind of reactions are they having? Are they laughing, sharing, or asking questions? This will give you insights into what resonates with the audience in your niche. 4. Create your own content plan. Based on your analysis, try to identify common patterns or strategies that seem to be working. Then, use those insights to brainstorm your own TikTok video ideas. Conclusion: by understanding how TikTok's algorithm works and the psychology of its users, you're now equipped to create content that has the potential to go viral. Remember, success on TikTok is all about engaging with the community, tapping into trends, and creating content that resonates emotionally. Keep experimenting and adjusting based on the performance of your videos. In the next module, we'll dive into how to create a content strategy and build your brand on TikTok.